Get WordPress hosting and domain lifetime for free. You will get WordPress hosting including cPanel, free domain, free SSL, free 5 gigabytes of space, unlimited bandwidth, and additionally you can connect your custom domain for free. An easy WordPress installer where you can easily install WordPress with few clicks. Everything is free as you are listening. Watch the full video and enjoy free WordPress hosting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
In this step, we are going to get a free WordPress hosting. If you go to the infinityfree.com, here you will see a free hosting tab. So if you see here the specification of this free hosting account, you will get 5 GB of data disk space, PHP 8.0, free subdomains, 400 MySQL databases, free SSL certificates, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL 7, bring your domain, it means you can connect your domain, free DNS servers, and full .htaccess support. So this is going to be have these all features and free WordPress features for your website. So just click on register now. We are going to register for this free hosting. So here you just need to enter your email address, password, and re-enter your password. And click on sign up. A verification email will be sent to your email account. You just need to check your email and verify. Here you can see Infinity free email is arrived. Just click on verify email. Now our account is ready. So you can see they are saying that hosting account. So you don't have any hosting account yet. So here just click on create an account, and here you just need to choose a plan. This plan will have this 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and limited hosted domains. Okay, so here I will just click on create now. Now you can see you need to have your own domain. You can see there are the extensions that you can have: free.nf, .w, .pe, and .viz, and the.infinity.com. So I will go with this .rf.rg. So here I will say any domain name. So I just say okay. So let's see is it available or not. So this is a free domain, short domain that you can get, or if you want to add a custom domain, so the custom domain name servers need to change. If you have already registered your domain, so you can put your domain here, but I will go with this one. So I just click on check availability. So this domain is available, and here is the email constants. We just click here I approve. Okay, so you just need to click here I approve and click on create account. So here is our control panel is ready. So just click on finish. So here is the control panel button. Just click on control panel, and here you see I approve button. So just click on I approve. Now you can see our control panel has been opened, and this is the dashboard of our control panel. So now we're going to install WordPress over our free hosting account. So I will just click on soft calculator app installer, and here you will see our WordPress option. Just click on install, and here you can see this is our domain that we have recently registered. So here you can just select HTTP, HTTPS, and so on. It depends upon you. And you can also install WordPress in any directly, but I recommend you to install directly on your domain. So here I just rename the site name. I just say autoblog. So here is the site description. This is an name, the site description, and here you just need to enter the admin username. So I just say admin, and here is the password. So you can just change your password according to your needs. So you just need to save this password into your. So I have saved the password that I can reuse it. Here is the email that you can use for your administrator email. Here just click on install. Now you can see the free domain has been registered, and the WordPress is installed over the domain, and we have get the free domain and hosting right now. So if you click on this WP admin, so we will go into the dashboard of our. When we try to access the WordPress, you will see this is like the domain is not registered. So let's see what the error is. We go back and see what the issue is, make it working. So let me go back into our hosting account, and let me make sure the DNS is properly connected. So if you see this action, please note that it can take up to 72 hours for new domain name or hosting account to start working everything. It means we need to wait for hours. It depends upon the server. It can take 72 hours, or it can take few hours. I waited few hours, almost I waited 8 hours, and now it's working. So now I just refreshed and just click on control panel, and we are going to log in our website. Okay, the WordPress has been installed successfully, so we need to go into login. So to log in, you need to go into your control panel, click on soft calculus installer, and here you just need to select installations, and here you can see the installation of our domain is available. So if you click here login as admin, so you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. You can see we are successfully logged in, and if you see the front end of this site, you can see this will be an empty site, and the dashboard is here, WordPress dashboard, and this is the domain. If you see here, the SSL is not installed here. So to install SSL, we need to go back into our Infinity account, and here you will see free SSL certificates. So just click on free SSL certificates, and here you can see there is a domain available, and we can install the SSL here. So the SSL is issued for this. If you want to install your domain is not here, you can just click on new SSL certificate, put your domain, add your domain, and click on advanced, use recommended provider. You can just select 0 SSL or anything, but I select 0 SSL and just click on create order. So your SSL order will be placed, and you just click on request SSL certificates. So this will be initialized within few hours or within few minutes, it depends. Okay, we'll go back into the free SSL certificate. You can see this SSL 0 SSL is in pending, so this is issued. Okay, so I just click on manage and install a certificate automatically on the domain. So I just click on install, and here you can see we get these two keys to install SSL. So we go back into our control panel, and here you will see SSL and TSL option. Here you can see configuration SSL. So just click on configure, and here is the private key. You can see the CSR and certificate. So you can just generate key, or here you can go back and just copy that private key and paste into your private key, and go back, and here just copy that certificate and go back into the certificate and paste here. Okay, and click on upload certificate. So the certificate has been uploaded, and it can take few hours to initialize the certificate or initialize the SSL. Let me check again here. So just copy that link, dummy browser, and I just add HTTPS. You can see you can cite secure connection. So the SSL protocol error, so SSL is not installed right now, so within few hours it will be installed. Okay, so we have installed the SSL as well as we have installed the WordPress.